Hi friends, last time we have completed the division 1 that is Thallophyta, division 2 that is Bryophyta and division 3 that is Pteridophyta in our last lecture. Today we are going to start with phanerograms. Plants which have special structure for reproduction and produced produce seeds are called as phanerograms. That means plants which produces seeds are called as phanerograms. In these plants, after the process of reproduction, seeds are formed which contain the embryo and stored food. During germination of the seed, the stored food is used for the initial growth of the embryo. Depending upon whether seeds are enclosed in a fruit or not, phanerograms are classified into two groups, that is gymnosperms and angiosperms. Now, what is gymnosperms? Gymnosperms are mostly evergreen, perennial, and woody. Their stems are without branches. The leaves form a crown. These plants bear male and female flowers on different sporophylls of the same plant. Seeds of these plants do not have natural coverings. That is, these plants do not form fruits and therefore called gymnosperms. Gymnosperms. Gymnos means naked and sperms means seeds. Their seeds are open, they can be seen. Example of gymnosperm is Cycas, Passia, that is Christmas tree, Thuja, and Pinus. That is, Pinus means Deodar. These are the examples, and after that is angiosperms. Now, first we have seen gymnosperms where seeds are naked. Now, in angiosperm, soak the seeds of corn, beans, groundnut, tamarind, mango, wheat, etc. in water for 8 to 10 hours. After they are soaked, check each seed to see whether if it divides into two equal halves or not and categorize them accordingly. The flowers The flowers these plants bear are their reproductive organs. Flowers develop into fruit and seeds are formed within fruits. Thus, seeds are covered, hence, they are called as angiosperm. Angio means cover and sperms means seeds. Angiosperms. In the last division, that is gymnosperm, we have seen that the seeds are naked, that is gymnosperm, and here seeds are covered, so it is angiosperms. The plants whose seeds can be divided into two equal halves or dicotyledons are called as dicotyledonous plants, and those seeds cannot be divided into two equal parts are monocotyledonous plants. These are the about gymnosperm and angiosperm. On page number 79, table is given dicotyledonous plant and monocotyledonous plant, and they have completely differentiated them regarding seeds, roots, stem, leaf, and flowers. What is the distinction feature about the dicotyledonous plants and monocotyledonous plants? For homework, you have to write this table in the notebook, and below that another table is there, kingdom Plantae. You have to draw that flow chart also. And after that, exercise is given on page number 80. You have to write all the question answers in your notebook. You have to complete the given homeworks. You will bear some marks on these written works. You have to get completed.